looking at today is a heater that fits a Sundance tub. It mounts to the right side of the pack just like this right here. It has a manual high limit which will auto reset right here. It has the wires that go to the board. You can see there's a black and a red. It has a 3/4 tap here with the ground. It has a 3/4 barb tap here, and it is plastic. And I will also continue this video by showing you one actually on a tub, so just keep on watching. Alright, the heater that you're looking at here is what they call a Sundance smart heater. It's on a Sentry 750 or 850 system. You can see it says Sentry on the front. It has this type of connector for the sensors and that kind of stuff, a big connector like that, and it mounts into the side right here. You can see there's a bolt there and a bolt there. You got a black and red wire that stick through and connect here and here, 2 bolts, and then you actually have an extra high limit that's digital. 3/4 barb here, 3/4 barb here. It goes to a flow switch. So if your heater looks like that and it's Sundance, you got a problem, buy with confidence. This one is correct. Alright, so the video that's going to be shown after this is going to show you how to kind of diagnose this heater. You see you've got a black and a red wire, and that's your main wires that go to the heater element, and you're going to test it very much the same way. You also have what we call a manual high limit. This is a high limit which, if the heater gets too hot, this switch opens. So you also got to check that, not just assume that the heater element is open. So just watch the video and it'll kind of guide you of what to do to diagnose yours. It's very much the same readings, the same everything, just a different style of Sundance heater. Keep on watching. Range roughly 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere in that neighborhood. So that means this element is good. The next test would be from either electrode to ground. It should not make a sound from either one of them to ground. And that's pretty much it. So if you measure across there and it shows 10.5 ohms and it's a 5.5 kW, and you measure from here to here and from here to here, and it does not make this thing sound, then this element is good. Now the exception would be you could have some rust traces or something back here that's enough to kick a GFI breaker, but it is not enough for your average voltmeter or ohm meter to test it, to find it. So there's times when there's a short to ground that's enough for a GFI to find it, but not enough for your tester to find it. The other thing would be is I don't have any water on this element right here. So if there's rust right here and there's no water on it, there's nothing to short the rust to the water, to the ground. So therein lies the thing. You also have your thermo well here, which a high limit or a thermostat would stick down in there, and that's the way it determines if the water's too hot or the heater's not working right, and it shuts the system down. So there you have it, friends. That is a Sundance heater. We have Sundance heaters, yes we do, friends. If you want a heater like this, you click on this banner over my head. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. Buy today.